The spotlight shone on smartphone satellite connectivity when the iPhone 14 series was introduced, marking a significant advancement in technology. Google may have been tardy in joining the trend, but the company has now integrated support for this feature into the Android 15 platform, enabling apps to detect when a device is linked to a satellite. In order to provide this service, phone manufacturers will need to incorporate support for satellite connectivity and establish partnerships with both terrestrial and satellite carriers. Our previous discussions have explored how Google could implement emergency satellite connectivity in the Pixel 9 series, and we are excited to reveal more details about the Pixel Satellite SOS feature. Android Authority has recently uncovered fresh evidence within the fourth beta version of Android 15, indicating that Google is actively working on incorporating support for satellite emergency calls into Android smartphones. Referred to as Pixel Satellite SOS in the code, it is expected that the Google Pixel 9 series, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold, will be the first devices to feature this functionality. This development aligns with previous speculations, suggesting that these smartphones will be equipped with a new Samsung Exynos 5400 modem capable of supporting NTN satellite networks. The code further reveals that satellite messages will be exclusive to Google Messages, and users of the Pixel satellite network will enjoy complimentary access for 2 years upon purchasing a new Pixel smartphone. Notably, this offering mirrors Apple's approach with the iPhone, although details regarding the subscription cost for satellite services from both Apple and Google remain undisclosed. It remains unclear whether emergency calls can be made without a subscription during critical situations. The code also hints that eligible Pixel devices will require a software update to enable satellite emergency calls, implying that this feature may not be fully operational upon the August 13 launch date, or may be limited to specific regions initially. Apart from this, Google's upcoming Pixel 9 series is making waves with a recent leak showcasing the Pixel 9 Pro XL model, featuring a new Samsung modem and an impressive amount of memory. In April, details emerged about the Pixel 9 Pro series, revealing a significant upgrade in storage and RAM capacity compared to previous Google Pixel devices. The leaked information highlighted the device's bootloader with 128 gigs of storage and a whopping 16 gigs of RAM, surpassing the memory limits of earlier models. Additionally, reports indicated that the Pixel 9 Pro series would incorporate the latest Samsung modem, the Exynos 5400, which was unveiled by Samsung around the same time. With the launch date drawing near, the leaked details have provided further confirmation about the Pixel 9 Pro XL's cutting-edge features, setting high expectations for Google's latest flagship smartphone series. A recent leak shared on XD8 forums showcases an early version of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, codenamed Komodo, boasting 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. It's intriguing to note that we've now seen both 128 and 256 gigs variants, hinting that Google may opt for higher memory configurations across all models. This move aligns with Google's emphasis on AI, which demands substantial memory resources for on-device processing. Furthermore, the leak confirms that the device is equipped with an Exynos 5400 modem, evident in the baseband section. This modem, based on the 3GPP Release 17 standard, promises a maximum data throughput of 14.79 gigs per second. While real-world speeds may not reach this peak, the satellite support of the 5400 modem is a feature Google is likely to leverage. Notably, the Exynos 5400 modem shares a foreign process with the Tensor G4, hinting at enhanced efficiency and performance. It is anticipated that this modem will be a standard feature across Google's entire Pixel 9 series, underscoring the company's commitment to cutting-edge technology and connectivity. Meanwhile, Google Pixels have always been recognized for their advanced AI capabilities, setting them apart from other smartphones. From the beginning, Google has dedicated itself to developing unique and practical features, and with the current focus on LLM technology, it's no surprise that the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series will offer even more sophisticated AI experiences. According to a source within Google, Android Authority has uncovered that Google is gearing up to unveil a new set of NL features under the umbrella of Google AI, which will include a feature similar to Microsoft's controversial Recall. This new suite will consist of a combination of fresh innovations and existing functionalities. While Circle to Search and Gemini are already accessible on Pixels and various third-party devices, Google Ag will introduce 3 entirely new features. One of these features, Add Me, promises to ensure that everyone is included in a grouped photo. This new addition seems to be an enhanced version of Best Take, which not only alters people's expressions in a photo, but also merges different takes featuring various individuals. This move indicates Google's commitment to emphasizing the subject matter of a photo over the actual content, suggesting that Ag could offer a solution to this challenge. A new addition to the lineup is Studio, which appears to be an upgraded version of the Creative Assistant app we've seen previously. Early indications suggest that Studio will be integrated into the Screenshot Editor app on Pixels, enabling users to create unique stickers through a remixing process. However, the app's capabilities seem to extend beyond just sticker creation, hinting at a more comprehensive generative AI image generator akin to Apple's Image Playground. It's important to note that Google has been actively developing its image and video generating models, with tools like ImageFX allowing users to experiment with the Google Imagen 2 model. Additionally, VideoFX, currently in closed beta, expands this functionality to video content. The integration of Studio into other Google apps is something to look forward to, as it could potentially revolutionize the creative process for users. One of the standout features is Pixel Screenshots, which bears a resemblance to Microsoft's Recall feature. Recall, exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs running Windows 11, automatically captures user activity and utilizes on-device AI to facilitate quick information retrieval. However, privacy concerns arose when it was discovered that potential attackers could access stored data, prompting Microsoft to pause the feature's rollout for further refinement. The development of these innovative features underscores the ongoing evolution of technology and its impact on user experiences. Apart from this, Google has taken a different approach to this feature, focusing more on privacy. Instead of capturing everything automatically, it will only process screenshots that you take yourself. The app will then add additional metadata, such as app names and web links, before being analyzed by a local AI. This new implementation seems to offer a more secure way to search for specific screenshots and ask questions about them. Apart from this, exciting news has surfaced regarding the camera specifications of the Pixel 9 series, with major enhancements in the camera hardware being revealed. The regular Pixel 9 is set to feature a new 50 megapixels Sony IMX858 sensor for the ultra-wide camera, boasting a larger size and higher resolution compared to its predecessor. The selfie camera will also see improvements, utilizing autofocus technology for sharper images. The main camera of the Pixel 9 series will continue to use the ISOCELL GNK sensor, ensuring consistent performance across the models. Notably, the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup will showcase uniformity in camera hardware, with both the periscope telephoto and ultra-wide cameras utilizing the same Sony IMX858 sensor. This sensor upgrade promises better image quality and enhanced details for users. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will feature the same 50 megapixels Sony IMX858 sensor for their front cameras, marking a significant resolution upgrade from their predecessors. The new camera specifications of the Pixel 9 series indicate a focus on improving image quality and overall photography experience for users. So stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup and share your thoughts on these exciting developments in the comments below. Take care and see you in the next update.